Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. I'm finally here with FabFitFun. Yes, my box wasn't quite this late, but let's see, is there a shipping thing on here anywhere? No, there's not. This box was so late. Like, I went on my official Christmas break, the Tuesday of Christmas, and this arrived after that. Like literally everybody and their dog has their box, but not me. And I have been a subscriber of FabFitFun since they started. Like I'm an OG. So all that to say, I've got news to share about FabFitFun at the end of this. What I do want to start with, I'm going to show you this full unboxing. This box was $49.99. Or you could subscribe for a year, which is what I do, which is the annual membership at $179.99. You save $20 and you get to make your selections early before all of the seasonal subscribers, which is great because the selections do sell out extremely quickly. So like I literally set an alarm on my phone so that I'm one of the first people to log in. Otherwise, the best stuff will be gone. They did a price increase. So starting spring of 2022, the box are going up $5 per season. And I was trying to think back, have they ever done a price increase? And I think the answer is no. If they have, it's been a very long time ago. The box has been $49.99 for forever. Now it is $54.99 per season and $199.99 annually. But those of you who are OG subscribers like myself have the ability to be grandfather claused in. So like if you updated your membership before the spring box goes into play, you can keep your old pricing. I have been very frustrated with FabFitFun for a few reasons. I've got subscription fatigue, just being honest. I've had it for too long. I've discovered so many other amazing boxes that I've become a little bit of a harsher judge on FabFitFun. If you're newer to subscription boxes or you're searching for a lifestyle subscription box, you're probably going to love this. I'm gonna show you this box. You can search on my channel and see years of past boxes, and you can make a judgment for yourself to see if it's for you. This is a quarterly, which means 4 boxes a year. My latest coupon code will be down below in the description if you wanna check that out. I was intrigued by this box because they actually had curly girl stuff in it, like stuff for my hair. And they have this beauty on the front of the magazine, which is exciting. One of the things I did run into though is when I went in to make my selections, I loved literally all of the items on the first. There's 5 places you make selections. On the first one, I loved everything. I think on the second one, I liked a few things and I wanted nothing of the last 3. Like I just wasn't interested in none of those products. And I wasn't able to add multiple of the first box without paying more for the subscription. So I just was like, I don't know, I'm feeling frustrated. The magazine historically has been tons of articles about people and products and all of these great things. This new FabFitFun, the first page is not some brilliant, amazing letter. It's an ad every single time. I'm already paying for the box. I want this to be full of juicy information, not the first thing I look at as an ad. And I love wine, don't get me wrong, but it's just not as exciting. There is the editor's notes, and they used to itemize everything in the boxes from all the options. So you could flip through and analyze. They don't do that anymore. If you want to see that, you have to scan the QR code and go online. I guess it's not a huge deal. I really did have fun though, reading it through the catalog or the magazine. So the old school me is just like, okay. They do talk about where they've given back and how they've supported different nonprofits. Love reading about that. I am super weirded out by this new calendar thing they're doing because half the time, by the time I get my box, one of the months are obsolete. So like, here's all the flash sales and deals for December. I didn't even get my box to the very end of December. So they've been doing this. It's like obsolete information. Been a little frustrated with that. I don't know. I just used to really, really love the catalog and I just feel like it doesn't share. Like talks about the refills. That's all online. I don't want to read and hear about the refills. You're just trying to get me to spend more money. Then it talks about member benefits and how you can spend more money. I don't want you to talk about how I can send gifts to friends, how I can boost my box, and how I can shop the shop. I know those things. I've already spent my money. Talk to me about where I spent my money. More of this stuff. What are the trend reports? I love the trend reports. It talks about like what's happening. So I could keep going and picking at the magazine. That's just a change that they've made that I guess that they see best and fit that I'm not a fan of. We have been getting stickers and my kiddos love those. And let me show you what's in the box. So this is a cranberry and apple probiotic repair. And these are masks, I believe. I love any type of sheet mask, face mask. Yeah, that's what these guys are. And so there are 3 of these sheet masks. Very excited to use these. Sheet masks are such a detox and calming time for me. And these have the adaptogens in them that everybody's talking about. I have not used adaptogens in like a face mask type, but I have drank them in drinks and it's wonderful. Glamnetic magnetic eyelashes. So this is one of the things I was actually really excited about. I have wanted to try the magnetic eyelashes for forever, you guys, but I just haven't stopped to spend the money on. Didn't know how to order them, didn't know where to start. It just haven't. So this is what subscription boxes are about. I got something I've literally been dreaming of trying in a box. So I'm pretty excited to give these guys a try. If you've tried them before, comment below and give me some tips on how to not poke my eye out or screw it up. This is an example of a product I did not want, tried so hard to avoid getting, but I really didn't have any other options. The True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlighter Palette. You guys, I have a million of these. These come in every subscription box. I get them in any form of a lifestyle women's box. I get these in. So I, at this point, really hardly keep any of them because I can't afford to keep them all. It's beautiful, it's great, it's just way overdone, way overplayed. So I will be donating this to a family, friend, or a nonprofit to make sure it goes to good use. I got a Mark & Graham electric wine opener. That is something that is right up my alley. You guys know I love my wine. What I'm not a very big fan of is I have a fabulous wine opener, so I didn't need this guy, and it's so bulky. I was hoping it was smaller than I thought, and it's not. It's the exact size that I thought it would be. Oh my gosh. The plastic is like, ooh, all the way in there. Okay, so here it is. I don't know. Oh, okay, I don't know. So there it is. It's really big. I don't know where I'm gonna store it. I have a little bitty house. This is one of those things I have a feeling I'll use 1 or 2 times and then I'll probably end up donating it to a nonprofit or a store. It's a little gimmicky. It's kind of fun. I kind of like it. Then I got the Brio Geo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. And it has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no phyphalates, all those stuff. So it is an oil that I can use on my scalp. And I absolutely love these oils because I use them pre-shampoo. So I will take this guy and put it all on my scalp and give myself this wonderful scalp massage. And then I let it sit overnight and wake up the next morning and wash my hair. And it's a great way to just really kind of break down the yuck, kind of have a little scalp massage therapy. I actually really, really love using oils on my scalp. So I am excited to try this guy and see if my scalp likes it. And then I have the Go Big or Go Home Volumizing Mascara. I've never tried this brand before. I love mascara. Once again, mascara is another thing I get so much of. Now, I do use mascara more than I use eyeshadows and bronzers, so I go through them quicker, so I enjoy it a little bit more. This is Kat Von D, which is kind of fun. This is like not something I normally buy. It's very gothic looking. Oh, the brush is like my favorite type of brush. That's exciting. Okay, pretty cool. So this is where the rubber meets the road, you guys. So this is now $54.99. And there is a very stereotypical bronzer, a mascara, a Mark & Graham wine opener, which let's just real quick retail value that. So it looks like this is about, well, $25, $28, $32. Looks like $28 is the average price you can find it online. Of course, there's a bunch of people reselling theirs from their FabFitFun box, so you can find them on Poshmark and other sites like that for like 20 bucks right now. But stereotypically, it says you can get them for about 28, but it boasts on the FabFitFun website that it's a $49 product, which I don't see it anywhere on the web for $49. $32, $28, $25, and then of course on Poshmark for 20 bucks. So they do say that the box has, let's see, I want to quote straight from their website, a $300 value. My box does not have $300 in value. This just isn't. There's some magnetic lashes, a scalp oil, which comes in all sorts of boxes all the time, the $25, $28 wine opener, and free sheet mask. I don't know. It's not there for me, you guys. Like, I feel like, I don't know. So I canceled. I can't believe I canceled. It's just like, I don't feel like the value's been there for me. I mean, for $55, there's other boxes I love more that I want my dollars to go towards. I'm not telling you guys you should do this. If you have not been around subscription boxes a long time or you haven't done FabFitFun, the products are probably gonna be fabulous for you. But for me, as I just described, it's just not there. The spark isn't there anymore. So I don't know. There's just disconnect for me. So in that, when you have a subscription box and you kind of realize you're hitting that disconnect, just cancel. Just cancel. You can always come back. You can always renew it. But it also gives you that money back to decide if maybe there's another box out there that you could try that would bring you more joy, that would be more fun. And that's where I'm at. I'm excited to see what I get next. And then just from like a business standpoint, I love getting my boxes to unbox with you guys. That's like half the fun for me. And when I get my FabFitFun box very, very last, like after all, annuals are supposed to get their box, PR are supposed to get their box, annual get their box, then seasonal. I'm getting mine after that. Like, I'm getting it so late that by the time I film this, it's not even a viable product, or it's not a viable chat, or it's just like, so that's another reason it's not fun. Just too many reasons it's not fun. So for now, FabFitFun has been put on pause, and I've lifted my head and I'm subscribing to some new boxes in the new exclusive Facebook group that we started called Ask the Pink Envelope. That is linked below. You guys have been sending over amazing box recommendations, and I've been ordering those. And it's been so fun to free up some dollars in some other spaces that weren't bringing me joy to dive into these to see if there are new options to unbox them with you guys, share them with you guys, and see if we can all find something that's a little bit better of a match for me and you guys. All right, thanks for listening to my rant / FabFitFun informative video. Hopefully it was informative. Stay tuned to see what I'm replacing FabFitFun with. If you've not already, subscribe to the channel so that you can see more unboxings. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with us boxes that you have been keeping your eye on, your thoughts on your FabFitFun boxes. It would be great if somebody who is newer to FabFitFun could weigh in and tell us what your thoughts about the box are. I hope that you guys have an absolutely beautiful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.